We are on this beautiful Jupiter 38 again. This time the customer came back for a Rhodan trolling motor install. This is the 96 120 pound thrust 36 volt trolling motor. You can see we try to follow the lines of the boat. In this case you have an offset bracket, 1/2 inch powder coated aluminum, hidden away power wire, yet fully accessible. Right here you'll find 3 lithium batteries, an alternator charger, along with the battery on-off breaker switch and an onboard charger. The charger powers up anytime the 30 amp circuit is plugged in. Full access to the bow thruster. Very nice, clean, safe install. Check out Marine Custom Solutions. We are your dealer for Rhodan, Minn Kota, and Power Pole products, along with a lot of others. Let us know how we can help.